Is my lip gloss still popping? Not really. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where I've been dreaming of you, and hopefully you guys have been dreaming of me, busy turning our dreams into realities. Today I'm going to be addressing a question that I get asked a lot: how to lose weight. I get a lot of questions about this topic, like in general. Now, this is a disclaimer. I am not a exercise science major. I am not a dietitian. What I can speak from is just personal experience in conjunction with the courses that I did take to further my knowledge about metabolism, about weight, about exercise science. Plus I do have a bachelor's in chemistry, so there goes that. I have definitely made a conscious effort to lose a lot of weight over I would say from my college years till current. When I originally started losing weight, I was 189 pounds. I've been on this health journey for the last 6 years, and I've learned so much about myself, so much about my body. I am currently 149 pounds. So a 40-pound weight difference in 6 years that I've maintained and kept off. I'm pretty pleased with the weight that I've lost over the years, but also when the line is right here and you like right here under the line, if this is the line and this is your weight right here, this is the line, this is the acceptable line, this is how much you weigh right here by the line, and it's real easy to go back over that line. You know, you just get a little happy and then oop, now you're back over that line. So I'm trying to get to a weight where this is the acceptable line for me, and if I fluctuate a little bit, I'm still underneath that acceptable line. There are two different segments to the weight loss process. The first segment is going to be the meals, and the second segment is going to be the exercise. All right, let's go ahead and start with that first segment, the meals. So the meal plan is broken down into your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then you have a snack in between your lunch and your dinner. So first you start out with the breakfast. You only have two options for breakfast though. It's either going to be 2 eggs, scrambled or boiled, and turkey bacon, or oatmeal. With your oatmeal, like for me, I cannot just eat oatmeal by itself. I have to eat it with like some fresh apples, fresh fruit. Just don't overly sugar it. Don't put a lot of milk in it. Kind of stay to the book when you're cooking your oatmeal, but add enhancements that have like natural sugars like fruits to your oatmeal, so it makes it a lot more tasty. For lunch, you want to do a protein, so you want to do 8 ounces of protein. If you don't know what that looks like, you can get like a food scale. They're like $10 at Walmart, and just weigh it out. But you want to do 8 ounces of a lean protein: chicken breast, turkey, salmon. With that 8 ounce of protein, you want to have a good serving, a decent serving of vegetables. Then it goes to your snack in between your lunch and your dinner. So you want to have a healthy snack. I'll eat like another fruit, or if I'm really hungry that day, if the protein that I had was really, really lean, then I'll eat like some yogurt. Never go overboard with that snack though. Don't have like a whole hamburger in between your lunch and your dinner. For dinner, you're just going to eat 4 ounces of protein and vegetables. Well, essentially, this diet is extremely, extremely low carb. So I have tried so many diets. I have tried you name it, intermittent fasting, the keto diet, the military diet, the Beyonce drink that water diet, get your life Coachella Beyonce body diet. I have tried every single diet, and the last diet that I tried is my favorite, hands down, by far, and it's because you do not feel like you're starving on this diet. Best thing about this diet is that it doesn't have any restrictions at all on the type of protein that I can eat, so it doesn't get tired and it doesn't get old quick. Like, I'm always making something new, always making something different. I'm just making a protein and a vegetable. So I typically wake up, get dressed, go to the gym, get dressed, make breakfast, and then what I eat for lunch is just the protein and the vegetable that I had made the night previous. So when I'm making my dinner, I actually make 2 servings for myself. I make one serving for me to eat that night and the other for me to eat at lunchtime. It's like meal prepping in a sense. The reason why I don't like meal prep is because like on that third day, the food starts getting really, really old and really, really repetitive to me. If you're making your meal and you're just doing 2 servings of the dinner that you had the night before, it makes it a lot more like fresh, and it makes mentally you're like, okay, I just made this food last night, not like 3 nights ago. You have to eat in order to lose weight. A lot of people think like, oh, I'm just gonna put my body in a caloric deficit, especially if you have a slow metabolism. Like your body, it's really gonna make your body hold on to that fat. It's not gonna cause you to really lose that weight. The key to this diet is that you're eating most of your calories before a certain time in the day, and at night you're eating a smaller amount of calories, and it's just allowing your body to really work away at that fat while you're sleeping. Second segment is going to be exercise. So I know a lot of people are like, oh, I work a lot, or I don't have time, or I have kids, and you know, when I get off I have to do this and I have to do that. Like, honestly, you have to make time for exercising. If all your kids are asleep at 5 o'clock in the morning and you can go outside and just do a light jog for 20 minutes, that's doing something. That's some type of exercise that you can do. You literally have to make time to exercise. You cannot tell your body, you cannot tell your mind lies and excuses, because at the end of the day, when you're done exercising, you will feel so much better. What I typically do during a regular workout week where it's not crunch time, where I'm not trying to lose a lot of weight in a little amount of time, is just wake up. Me and my husband are on the same schedule. We wake up an hour before we have to start getting dressed. So we get up at 4:45. We go work out from 5 to 5:45, 5 to 6 o'clock, around that time frame. We come home, get dressed for work, then we head to work. We do that 4 days out of the week, and then on the weekends I try to make sure that I'm doing something active. I'm just putting like a fun stamp on it. Even those small changes are going to add to your overall success with weight loss. When it is crunch time though, is when your girl is in the gym night and day. Literally for the last 2 to 3 weeks is working out twice a day. So I wake up at 4:45, go work out, but my first workout is literally 30 minutes of cardio. So it's strict, just whatever cardio I'm doing, I'm just making sure I'm doing 30 minutes of it. And sometimes like my legs will be tired, so I'll get on a machine for 10 minutes and then go on another machine for 20 minutes, like however you want to play it, but just straight cardio. And then at night, what I do is I do 10 minutes of cardio, and then I do muscle exercises for 45 to 50 minutes or so. So I'm working out about an hour at night and then 30 minutes in the morning. That, in conjunction with my diet plan, is killing the game right now. So we talked about the diet plan, we talked about the exercise. I hope that at least one person who watches this video really incorporates the meal plan and the exercise schedule that I have presented to you guys today and really see results. And I guarantee you it works. Just do it and you will see the results. As always, thank you guys so much for dreaming with me. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys in my next video.